Apple just made the iPad even closer to a Mac with iPad OS 26. And it's packed with powerful multitasking and AI features. The biggest change is windowing. You can now resize app windows freely just like on a Mac, drag corners, snap windows side by side, or tile multiple apps with ease. It's fluid, fast, and perfect for multitasking. There's even a top menu bar in many apps now. You get desktop like drop downs and settings menus. Make the iPad feel more professional than ever. Stage Manager is also more polished, app layout is smoother, and you can switch between workspaces easily, and everything feels more organized. Now let's talk about intelligence. And Apple Intelligence is built in on supported iPads with M series chips. You can rewrite text, summarize content, or change the tone in Mail, Safari, and Notes with one tap. Image Playground is available right inside apps from Freeform and Notes. Just describe what you want and it generates it instantly. And Genmoji lets you create fun custom emojis from your own ideas. Notifications are smarter too. Important ones are pushed to the top while less urgent ones stay out of your way. Long group messages or emails are automatically summarized so you get the key info fast. Apple Pencil gets an upgrade as well. In Freeform and Notes, handwriting feels smoother. Smart shapes are easier to draw, and you can even use AI to generate visuals. The macOS Preview app is now on iPad too. You can view, sign, and edit PDFs just like on a Mac. It's fully integrated with Files and Mail. The Files app itself now feels desktop class. You can see full metadata, sort by file type, and drag files between folders or drives easily. So everything feels more flex. Continuity features are better too. You can mirror your phone on your iPad and control it like another app window. And Universal Clipboard works faster when moving content between devices. So iPad OS 26 is available now in beta and will roll out fully this fall. So if you have ever wanted your iPad to replace your laptop, this update brings you closer than ever.